Hey everyone, welcome Nixie Tubes, episode 11. My name is Adam, I'm your host, and today we're not going to really do anything other than just have a little update. It's been a little while and I haven't done any updates, and so I just want to see where we're at. So the last time we had this, I went and talked about where we were at again, and did some documentation in our Nixie clock, I believe, and also our Nixie library, Python library. And since then I also went through and cleaned up some more. And what I did was I took a look at the Nixie library that, let's see, Deku Nukem made on the Arduino examples, and I recreated those examples for Python. So as we can go back over to our UI charm, I have the LED test, the loop digit test, loop digit crossfade, multiple tubes, and multiple tubes crossfade. So I created all those, created a README going into all of how to handle our like installing the Python library and turning SPI on, all of that, and I delivered it to, I created a fork and delivered it, let's see, Python library right here. So right here we have the details, configuration right there, that's a little bit off. Probably should update that. Let's see. Feel like I might have. Anyways, so I have this library and it talks about like, this is how you install SPI-dev either from pip or the source, and then the usage, like you create an SPI initialization from SPI-dev, and then you identify the control pin, create an Nixie object by passing the control pin the SPI item, and then you can control the object by setting the digit and setting the LED and stuff like that. So pretty simple. And so I deliver that to, I merged it, or actually I did a pull request and merged it in, and he accepted it. So that's kind of cool. So I contributed to another open source project. That was about, it looks like about a week ago. Let's go to the library. I think this is, yeah, let's update. Can I update file here? Nope. Can't update to it, so what I can do is do a pull request, or no, I go to here and do a pull request. Pull request. Okay. Let's see what other ones need. Oh, someone did that. Okay. A new pull request, compare master, and this will be oh, let's get some music going. I don't know what's going on here. Let's try that. Oh, don't like that. Compare cross forks, yes. Okay. This, and this one, and master, yes. Updating README. Format. For it. Okay, so updated that. Pretty simple, easy file change. So yes, so this is where we're at. Since the last time we had our stream, I fried 3 boards. I connected the high voltage pin to a low voltage pin and fried 3 boards. I ordered 3 more boards and communicated with Deku Nukem. And he sent me 3 more boards. He sent me some low temperature solder to get those boards off easier, so that was like extremely nice. And then I also ordered 10 CPU chips of the same ones. I was like, maybe I could try to fix them. And then I also got this Harbor Freight heater, airflow heater that can get to like 800, 900 temperatures Celsius maybe. And so I did that, and I actually fixed all 3 boards, but I broke one tube. Let's see. Here we go. This tube right here. Look at that video. So let's just make sure you can see it. I broke this tube. I don't know what exactly I broke on it, but it's broken. I've taken it apart, or I took it off the board, and I tried to test hook up the power and the grounds through a resistor, and I tested it before, and I know it worked, and it just doesn't work anymore, so I ordered a new tube. It should come next week. But right now, the clock is put together, and I'll show it to you right now. So it's kind of cool. Let's see. So it's pretty early. So it does an animation kind of at around every 10 seconds. I think I'm going to change that to like every minute, but so I don't have the second hour digit. But another thing that I did was I took a Raspberry Pi Zero and I installed the software on that and loaded it, and so it runs off a Raspberry Pi Zero, and that was ideal because it's a smaller form. And then really the next thing I want to do, and it's probably not going to be for a little bit, I might wait in like a month or so, because there's a few things that I want to do. Once I want to go back to my Android project and update that, because it's been a little while and there's bugs I need to fix. And so once that's done, I'm going to come back to this project, and really what I want to do is create a PCB, and I started doing it, but I want to create a PCB for it so that I don't have to. If I want to create another one, I'll have to resolder all this stuff together, and I just need to like connect up the modules. so that's kind of exactly where I'm at. I'm extremely happy of where I've come from, and just like learning all these things, contributing to the Nixie library, communicating with them. That was a lot of fun. So I'm gonna sign off from there. I think that's really all that was on my mind I wanted to do. Another thing I want to do is capture some of my progress through Instagram, and I haven't done that before. So some of it might be boring, some of it might be interesting, and so what I'm going to do is definitely do some more Instagram posts and like pictures and things that I do, just documenting some of my progress. I also started writing kind of like a little diary so I can go back and kind of like just things that happen throughout the day and stuff. And that seems to be helpful to just go back and reflect over time. So it'll be interesting. So that's where I'm at right now. And yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. If you want to create a Nixie tube, I will more than gladly help you and point you in the right directions, and kind of what I did. ordering all the parts definitely ahead of time helps. I ordered a lot of the stuff ahead of time. It's just some of the stuff didn't always come in time because usually it's not within the United States. So, but yeah, thanks all for joining, and